So many of the things that we experience and depend on have interacting surfaces that require optimized friction to keep them in motion. Optimized motion friction is the physics behind their successful movement. But for them to keep moving for extended periods of time, some of the smallest pieces of the design must stay lubricated to ensure proper function, a necessity that has historically come with environmental risks.
Traditional bearing systems typically require lubrication in order to operate effectively, and the lubricants that are typically used are something like grease and oil. The problem with that is the system is rarely contained. So as the machinery is in operation, it will typically fall out, which can contaminate the ground or the environment in general. Environmental impact is something that every industry is looking at today to try to reduce their carbon footprint on the world.
Advanced materials science plays a critical role in greatly reducing the usage of these toxins and can actually come with advanced performance benefits as well.
Advanced materials science will not only solve your engineering problem, but it expands and allows you to solve your sustainable and environmental goals as well. When you talk about advanced materials science, you're able to include more of the customer-facing and environmental-facing objectives in the advanced materials science discussion.
GGB's material science and the expertise in applying that material science can really be used in any industry where friction optimization is needed. It can be from medical to aerospace, transportation, construction and agriculture. Anywhere friction optimization is required, self-lubricating materials can be applied.
Through education around friction management and completely understanding the material science involved, we can learn how a change in one of the smallest components can make a huge impact in improving sustainability and quality of life.
Since 1910, GGB has been optimizing friction motion solutions, starting with plain bearings in the internal combustion engine. And from there, we've really continued to innovate as industries have evolved. We were the inventor of the first self-lubricated metal polymer bearing. We've introduced new materials such as fiber-reinforced composites and engineered plastics. Now we're moving beyond traditional bearing technologies, evolving with our customer needs, and introducing new technologies like polymer coatings, looking towards new solutions in surface engineering.
This is a very versatile type of material science that customers often don't take full advantage of. The best thing about working with the GGB product families is, one, the number of products we can develop and come up with. Secondly, it would be seeing so many different types of markets and applications. All of them are very different, but also have some commonalities. And trying to find those common elements to help us be successful is what makes my job exciting.
GGB is a trusted partner for optimized friction solutions. GGB's expertise and products are applied across a spectrum of applications, including energy, medical, and aerospace. In fact, GGB's bearing technology was used on both Mars rovers.
GGB bearing solution can be combined with polymer-coated solutions to serve specific application conditions and to protect the environment. By partnering with the customer, GGB co-created a corrosion-resistant solution that was able to withstand these challenging application conditions. We took a more traditional bearing solution and paired it with a polymer coating. By treating both surfaces in contact, we improved the efficiency and the performance of the application significantly. At the same time, we were able to protect the environment by eliminating lubricant that could have potentially contaminated the water around it.
We can go into so many different directions to support our purpose and the work that we do, helping our customers become more successful, innovate new and different ways that they never thought possible by just collaborating with them. So when we start working with customers early in their design R&D phase, that's where we really benefit the customer and allow them to reach their ultimate goals.
GGB is pushing boundaries to co-create a higher quality of life. To learn more about GGB, visit ggbearings.com today.